Ninjani siyaphila siyabonga kakhulu kumphathi wohlelo ngixolise kakhulu ngokungabambi isikhathi suke saqala saye emfeni ngasengijima lapho ukuthi ngizama ukuthi nami ngibambe isikhathi siyabonga kakhulu igama nguMehluli Moyo uChairperson weJoshua Nkomo Legacy Restoration Project Trust esebenza ukugcina igama lemsebenzi kaBaba Nkomo ukulondoloza imisebenzi yakhe legama lakhe ilegacy yakhe to sustain and promote the legacy of Joshua. Siyabonga kakhulu umsebenzi eliwenzileyo namhlanje. Every year before iCovid besivamisa ukuthi sibe le ndume ezizulu yomcimbi esiwenzayo to celebrate this day because it's a very important day. Unfortunately, because of iCovid kwaba nama changes, and this year we are still going to celebrate as a trust ilanga likaNkomo, of course not on the day ka 1 July ngoba selidlulile, but we are still going to organize an event, a massive event, and we'll be happy. We are going to send an invitation to the Zebra veterans to be part of that event. We have extended an invitation to us to be part of this event, and we really appreciate it. It's a massive event. Sometimes omunye umuntu angamangala ukuthi nxa sithi is a massive kanje bekuthiwa imbingelele kuphela sengiqalisa ukukhuluma. It's a massive event. Omunye umuntu sengakhangela ama numbers athi hayi abantu bebengu4 bebengu5. It wasn't a massive event. What you need to understand is that when you mention the name Joshua Nkomo, a lot of things happen, especially in this country. We are not going to shy away from telling the truth. Kumele sikuthi ukuthi hayi vele nxa ulungiselela khona phana uyahlangabezana nalezinye izinto laphana kwenqakale laphana ngisho ngokubamba igama likabani lika Joshua Nkomo. Ungabamba igama leZebra kuzwakali irole yakhona ama Zebra ayikhona lawo wathi abasifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso sibe very clear in terms of the role of the Zebra veterans in liberating our country ngithi yikho esiphila ngakho yikho esilakho. But I think isikhathi sezitshintsha kathesi. We need to stop complaining ukuthi abantu they are not telling our history. We need to tell our history angithi selibadala labantwana abangama professionals abangama writers abanye bakuma fields achiyeneyo abaku broadcasting. We need to give them our stories because we need to tell our stories. Nobody can tell our stories. Kumele thina sizikhulumele sizimele. It's so unfortunate lokho angisoze ngikele ukukhuluma. As much as sifuna ukufocusa kakhulu sicabanga ukuthi abantu abacekela phansi igama lika Baba Nkomo are people from other organizations that were not associated with Zabo. Namuhla okuyangisayo lokubuhlungu ukuthi abantu abenu bakhonapha from this region isuku zonke kuma social media platforms bathethisa uNkomo is a sellout, was this, was that. That is very bad. Ridiculing Nkomo at any opportunity abayithola. Bekhuluma into abangazaziyo. Bengazange bahlalela phansi lana ukuthi libabonisa ukuthi hayi lapha kwahamba kanje kwahamba kanje kwahamba kanje. Uzwe umuntu blame someone recently, a young leader of a certain political party blamed Nkomo for cook round. That is very sad. Very very sad. But akula ndaba siyazwisisa kwesinye isikhathi abantu bayabelezizatho zaba ngithi. Some people think they are going to be popular ngokuzama ukunyathezelela phansi igama lika Baba Nkomo ukuthi hayi uze ngigade ngiye phezulu mana ngikhangele into engangenza mphakame masinyane uJoshua Nkomo wathi ngiyekulwa lo Joshua Nkomo khona abantu ngiyaziwa ndume ngigade ngiye phezulu, and that is sad. But akusoze kuye ndawo. We understand the legacy of Joshua Nkomo. Akula umuntu ozasitshela ngelegacy ka Joshua Nkomo siyayizwisa siyayazi lama Zebra khona nanka akhona abadala abaphambili bazimisela ukuprotect legacy ka Joshua Nkomo. Ukhulu lokho kwenzakala namhlanje kodwa ngesikhathi engisiphiwe sokubingelela ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much.